Hello, it's Just Gaming here, and today we have got a different type of video. This is not a random video, it is one of them little different type of videos that I kind of do make kind of occasionally, but there is a lot, by the way. So basically today we're going to be showing something off today. Basically, you might have noticed that I do usually do these on a Sunday, but basically I'm going to be doing something a bit similar now. Because I do a series called Where I Show Stuff in My Bedroom. I haven't done one of them in a while, they will be coming back as well. And there's another series where basically I'm going to be doing some new stuff. So basically, new stuff that I kind of maybe get for my birthday, or just like kind of a new stuff that I kind of do get. I'm going to be doing a video on them, or maybe a couple of videos, and then I might turn them into a series or something. So that's going to be pretty cool. So I think a while ago I did a video talking about my Liverpool money show, which is a video that I kind of did talk about for quite a while now. So I'll do another updated version on that at some point. Maybe I'll turn that into a series as well. I know I haven't done that yet. But yeah, there's going to be new stuff that I get and old stuff that I've got. So this is going to be kind of like another series now, where it's going to be called The New. Okay? And the other one's going to be called The Old. I'm not doing any old ones today. I'm doing two new ones today. But there is going to be a playlist for them both. I will put a video in the old playlist, which I've done for a while. And then I'll start the first old one soon. So, yeah, so it's going to be aimed on the new. That's what it's going to be aimed on. And today, we're going to be doing the new Liverpool home kit t-shirt 2020. Because I've got the new home shirt. If you don't know, I am a Liverpool fan, if you don't know. Of course, coming up very, very soon, when the season starts, I will be doing a Liverpool series. Where basically there'll be some on-face videos and some on the BBC Sport website, if you don't know. That's why kind of we'll be mainly doing the Liverpool series where I'll be talking about them. So, anyway, and here it is. So this is the new Liverpool home kit. So basically, I've had it for a couple of weeks now, and this is the new one, by the way. I've worn it a few times, and I thought I could do it in a video. Also, as well, coming up, there will be one of them t-shirt videos where I'll be mainly talking about who's a fan. So make sure you stick for one of those. So yep. So here's my Liverpool t-shirt here. It is the new kit, and I thought today I'm going to be doing a few videos of showing it off. There just won't be this one. There will be a few videos as well. I'll be talking about it. So here it is. So this is the new shirt. So so this is the front. It's mainly standard. It says standard chart, and it has the Liverpool thing on it. The Liverpool the Liverpool sign. And then on this side it says B lines, and also the white lines on it as well, and the standard chartered. And what is that logo? I don't know what that logo is. That logo there. That one. Yeah, that one. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, that one. But anyways, yeah, so this is the it here. So you can see the lines going down. I really like the white lines because this is the brand new one, and what I love about this new home kit is basically the lines on it, because the lines are incredible. They've done a really good detail on that. Basically the white lines coming down, I think they've done a really good detail on that. So hopefully for the next kit as well, they'll definitely do that. But yeah, so they're kind of the lines I kind of wanted to show you guys, and it looks incredible. I don't know why, it just looks pretty cool. So there will be a video based on all of the kits for my team. So there'll be a third kit. I do have the third kit as well, and also the away one. So I've got all the kits now. So just let you know about that. So I just want to let you know about that. So that's kind of the front of it. So that's fine. And look who's on the back. It's one of my favourite players, Mo Salah, number 11. So basically, if you don't know, Mo Salah is my favourite player for Liverpool because he is a striker and he's pretty cool. And yeah, it's got Mo Salah on the back, and look at that. It looks pretty cool, doesn't it? And it's got my number 11 as well, because 11 is my birthday number. So Mo Salah is on the back. Hopefully he stays at Liverpool, just because he has been doing really well for us. Kind of he's the top scorer at the moment as well, so he's been doing brilliant. And yeah, hopefully he can stay for us, because a lot of people have kind of said that he's actually going to be moving, and hopefully he doesn't, by the way, because he has been doing absolutely brilliant for us. So hopefully he doesn't. So hopefully this season he's going to do pretty well. So yeah, that's the back. It's got Mo Salah number 11. There's really nothing on the back apart from that. There's not really any white lines going down. So that's pretty awesome. Also on this side as well. Where is it? Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Oh yeah, here we go. Also on this side of the shirt, of the t-shirt, it says Premier League. So there's actually a Premier League thing on the side there. Looks pretty cool. And then on this side, I think I do remember, there's a sign here saying, hang on, VVU Western Union. That's kind of their main logo sign that they came up with, so that's pretty cool. And also on the back as well, they have that 96, because if you don't know what 96 stands for, it basically stands for the people who died in that Hillsborough disaster between them and Sheffield Wednesday. So that's what that means, by the way. Also, I do have another Liverpool t-shirt that's actually based on that, which will be in a video as well, just to let you know. So yeah, that's completely fine. So that's the back. It's pretty box standard, apart from just the number as well. And oh, actually missed something on the front, and that's that there. Look, saying 8B dry. By the way, I actually missed that out. And finally, on the shirt is the inside. So there's that as well. So I'll kind of show you that now. So that's basically a logo which I don't really know about. And inside's pretty much box standard, really. I don't think there's really anything in the inside. No, it's just basically just plainly black on the inside. There's not really anything on there. Apart from that, when you do look inside, it's kind of all white when you turn it inside out. But apart from that, it is a brilliant shirt. I like it. And it's the new home kit as well. So hopefully I'll be wearing it a lot. Oh, that as well, by the way. So hopefully I will be wearing it a lot, because the season is not that far away now. So hopefully, well, the new season. So hopefully there'll be a lot of stuff I'll kind of be talking about the shirt, because it's the new home kit. Like, obviously I'll be wearing it a lot compared to the other ones. And the thing is, I kind of really want to do a lot of videos on it. I've kind of a basing of what it is. That's what I want to do at the moment. So if there's a lot of things I'll be talking about it, I'll probably let you know. But at the end of the day, it's brilliant, and I will be wearing this a lot. Just to let you know about that. And there will be a lot of stuff that I will be wearing a lot compared to this kit. Probably half the time when we're at home, like when we do our home games, that's probably when I'll be wearing it. Probably not for the away ones, because when we be away, I might be wearing a different t-shirt now and then. But I think definitely for the home kit, not home kit, definitely for the home games, I'll be wearing this a lot. So just let you know. So yeah, just let you know, guys, if you are a fan and you haven't got this yet, please go and get this new home kit. It is incredible, and hopefully I will be just be wearing it a lot for the new season, because that's what I want to do. Especially that'll be for the home games though, not for any other games exactly, but definitely for the home games I will be wearing it, not for the away games. So I think I'm definitely going to be doing that. So hopefully that'll be cool as well. Because I think our first game is away anyway. Is it away, our first game? I'm not sure if it's away or home. I don't know. I'm going to have to check that. But yeah, apart from that, if it is away, I won't be wearing it. If it's at home, I probably will be. So hopefully that will go to the back of my mind, and I definitely will wear it. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I am going to do another video talking about it, but that will be in a video where it won't say the new on it. It will be in a different video, so I will be doing that as well. And of course it will be in a t-shirt video as well, where I'll be doing it again, but I'll be putting it on, by the way, in a video. So just let you know about that, compared to what I did with the other t-shirts. And only the other t-shirts I'll be doing, I know that I've not really explained this, but only the t-shirts I'll be doing, by the way, is the new, is basically the ones that are kind of look cool, not the ones that I've had for quite a while. So just the ones that look pretty epic. I'll be doing in videos, not the other ones obviously, just the ones that look pretty epic. So just to let you know about that. So hopefully looking forward to that. So I think that's kind of everything that we've kind of said really about the kit. Like I said, I will do another video talking about it, but I might make that a little bit longer and kind of like let you know about it. But apart from that, I think we've kind of explained everything about it in this first video. Yeah, I'd not really like to kind of show you around on it. I've kind of showed you everything on it. Yeah, just looks pretty cool. And hopefully we are going to do good this season, because that'll be pretty cool. I'm looking forward to the new season, and hopefully we are going to do really, really well, because that'll be pretty epic, and just see how we get on, because hopefully that'll be pretty cool as well for our new kind of a new season that we do, and stuff. Hopefully we'll do very well as well. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that I need to say. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of the t-shirt, and yeah, hopefully you guys do really, really enjoy it. So yeah, so thanks for watching. There'll be another video in a couple of days' time. Maybe it might be next week, I don't know, but there will be another video, so make sure you stay around for that. So yeah, one more video before we go back to doing gameplay. That's it. I'll see you later. Bye.